Okay guys, so check this out. I've been waiting for this clutch for longer than I probably should because we could have made it a long time ago. I don't know if we're going to get what I'm really looking for. I'm with Calvin here. Calvin has a cool Instagram. You guys got to check it out. What is the Instagram?
Cold Game Kill. Cold like outside, game like video game.
The cool part is, all you got to do is go down below and click the link, and you're going to be able to go check it out anyway. Man, he's got 1 million followers. He's got a bunch of cool stuff. He loves animals like we do. So he's team living the dream. He doesn't even know it.
Yes, sir.
Actually, he knows it. So anyway, so this clutch is super motley. The idea is we're trying to make a super motley, super Sunfire, super tiger. And the idea of all that super isn't just to make a super. It's actually to try to make a snake that has white sides and a dark top. And I want to make like a racing stripe snake. Now I know you guys are thinking, what is wrong with this guy? He keeps taking his ideas and trying to make all these weird snakes, but you know what? I'm having fun. And the snake's gonna be outbred with all different genetics at the same time, so it's really cool. Calvin,
I got a quick question.
Go ahead.
Are these snakes that you're trying to make, have they ever been made before?
No, heck no.
Okay. My boy's an innovator, yes sir.
We're living the dream, and if you can't be living the dream if everybody else has already done it.
Nah, for
you
sure.
gotta live a little beyond your comfort zone.
Yep.
That's for all you guys. Whatever you dream of, you know what? I don't care if you're gonna be a scientist, go be the best scientist. I don't care if you're gonna be a math teacher, be the best math teacher. If you're gonna go scrub floors, be the best at scrubbing floors. So, by the way, guys, I don't know if you noticed this yet. This whole video is backwards, because we're facing the opposite way into the reptile zoo. So anyway, we're gonna call this video backwards something. I don't know. You'll have to tell us if you like the name. So you can see this guy right here. Look at this, Tim. This guy's nose is right out, coming right out. It's looking really good. So he's actually stuck. Now oh, there we go. So the reason why we cut these eggs, you know, I'm gonna tell Calvin because he's got this cool deer. What's your favorite deer?
My favorite deer right now is probably Canela. Between Canela and Tay-Tay.
He literally, Tay-Tay's my favorite, I guess, just because when I first met him online, he would always go, hey, Tay-Tay, and Tay-Tay'd come out and eat out of his hand. And he has a whole, Tay-Tay brought her family.
Yep.
But anyway, you have to go check out his Instagram. I'm going to make you guys interested in it because it's pretty interesting. So anyway, and by the way, thank you guys for getting us to 500,000. And you know what? You're probably right about now going, is he going to cut the eggs or going to just talk? I'm going to actually have him cut his first snake egg.
All right.
But first we're going to teach him how to do it. And you guys already probably know how because you've been subscribing so long. But check this out. So this guy is literally, I say guy, but it could be a girl, has cut its way out and its nose was actually stuck in there and it cut over here. And they have a little egg tooth, and the whole idea of what we're trying to do is prevent anybody from drowning in the egg. Because if they don't cut, they drown in the egg. Now, here's the interesting part that oh, look at that. Ooh. That's like a blue snake. That is incredible. Oh man. Oh. So now this snake, even though it's hatching, doesn't mean it's gonna crawl out today. That's a beautiful snake.
Wow.
Look at that, you guys. Nice blue colored. That's a beautiful snake. The whole idea is now what they do is after they cut themselves out like this, they don't just jump out, because what happens is they're taking their first breath of air, and when they're taking in all that air, they're actually at the same time taking in all their yolk, because they have a yolk like a chicken inside there. But that yolk is fully a yolk until they start breathing. When they start breathing, that's why you see these bubbles? Look, you can see the bubbles. Got bubbles coming out. Ooh. It's literally just breathing, learning how to breathe, going from no air, just the air that's comes through this little thin membrane, to using its whole entire lungs. So it's pretty crazy, right?
That's so crazy.
Yeah, and so the idea that we're doing here is it's real simple. We incubate them to make them all hatch, because we want as many to hatch as possible. This isn't called the wild. We don't need to have a bunch of them pass away on their way here. We want every egg to hatch. And so the reason why we cut them is because they could drown in the egg if their egg tooth is broken or messed up or anything. So this is called backward rescue. How about that?
That's a good one.
We're gonna come up with something maybe even better. You guys tell us what we should have named the video after you read what we do. So I'm gonna show him real quick how to cut one. You guys, I know you guys, you're all pros because you've been following us. And so here's the deal. So what we do is we barely make a scratch across it. So you see this guy's already made a scratch. So I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna use, see that? I'm always into cheating. So he's already, now the bad news about this is sometimes when they start cutting and they're not out, it could mean they didn't get enough air, and this is why we cut the eggs. So we're gonna barely cut underneath it, and then I can see blood, that's a good sign. So there we go, so we're gonna cut it open. Oh, look, peeking. And we put my finger in there, because the idea is, of course, we're not gonna cut the snake, right? We're gonna cut the egg. And this one is deformed.
Oh.
Maybe not. Maybe it's all my imagination. I just looked at it wrong. It's alive.
Let's see.
Nope, just hasn't come out yet. It's got to absorb that big belly button. Is wide open. So their belly button's like that big around, and then as it goes, it just keeps closing down. And so it's like going to go from that to literally gone. So that guy, that's a super tiger. We have a lot of cool genes in this. By the way, all these genes have different names. So we have super tiger, we have Sunfire, we have Motley, and we have, what else do we have in there? Sunfire. Sunfire, Phantom, Super Motley, and Tiger. And Super Tiger. Oh, look at that. That one's popping his head out. Yeah, so that's obviously, it looks like a super tiger. And so I don't know what an albino, what I'm looking for, is going to look like. So I don't even know what I'm going to have. But of course, when I talk about what I'm trying to make and what it might make are two different things. So that's obviously a phantom, huh, Tim?
Looks like it. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a phantom.
Oh,
and
wow.
that's
He's ready.
And he might be completely ready.
Like a super tiger too.
Yeah, a super tiger. And so there you go, guys. So there, remember that big hole? Look at this, nothing there, and just a little tiny button. And that little button just came off, pretty much.
Oh, my
and
boy
boom!
ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you feel ready now?
Oh yeah, I'm totally ready.
Okay, so here you go.
All right.
So that is a super tiger, and it's a phantom.
Nice.
I'm pretty confident.
Nice.
So I'm gonna take this guy, and then you go ahead and let's pick an egg. Which one should? This one's already cutting out of the end.
Should I do that one?
You sure?
All right. Can you restart my video, please? All right, ready? Well,
Is this for Instagram? Should I be framing it?
Don't worry.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
cool. Yeah, don't worry
Okay.
about it. All right, man. So today I'm here with my boy Jay, Prehistoric Pets.
Yeah, he's gonna cut this clutch.
And we got baby snakes being born today. The reason why we have to cut these is because sometimes they can stay in their eggs stuck and drown in their yolk. So today we're performing a C-section, and let's get it, man. Look at this one. He already made himself a little
So you're gonna
hole.
put your finger in there so you can't
In
cut
there?
yourself.
Okay.
Or I mean, you can't cut it, but you'd have to cut yourself, really.
Oh, okay.
Turn around a little bit. Put your finger inside like this.
Oh, like this?
And that way you can cut just around, and you know right wherever the snake is, and you know right where everything is.
All right, amazing. Like this, right there.
Put your finger in there, ways. Got to make sure where the snake is. There you go. I think that's probably far enough to see what we got.
Amazing.
So let's see. You got a world's first?
Let's see.
That's good. You can tear that little part. So let's check it out, you guys. So what do we got here? So we got a super tiger. We got a Sunfire. Super tiger, Sunfire, Phantom. What do you think?
Yeah, that's exactly
For
what it
sure,
is.
right?
Albino, yeah.
Albino, super tiger, Sunfire, Phantom.
Damn.
And those aren't too common, I don't think. What do you think, JT? Nope, not at all.
My boy's foreign.
What about this one? Absolutely. Look at this one. This one, we've already cheated you guys. Check this out. I don't know if this is the whole thing, but here was my fantasy starting to come out. Hopefully this ain't the whole thing. Oh, is that cool or what? But look at the belly. This looks like a pied. So the idea that I have is that eventually what's going to happen is I'm going to get a snake with a racing stripe down it, and look at that. Woo! It almost is it. Look at that, Tim.
Oh, he almost got it.
It's exactly what I predicted. Look at that. It's like a high white pied. I don't know if that's all of it, but if it isn't, I'm gonna get my raceway snake. We're gonna have to call it the raceway. Look at that. See, so it's white on the side. Look at that. Totally white on the side, and got a dark line down its back. And that is good. Oh man, look at that snake. I didn't think it could be it because of the front, but the back is doing exactly what I hoped. And even the front is, look at that. Look at the white. It's literally just white bellied all halfway up the side. Looks like a pied, huh? Except more white than a lot of pieds. Come on there, buddy. You're not ready to get out yet, even though I want you out. So we're gonna see. We may still have the super crazy snake that I think is gonna come out of this clutch, has the ability to come out of this clutch, or that might be it. Anyway, I'm happy. I'm always happy with whatever God gives me. I'm down with.
Nice.
So you want to cut this one?
Yeah, I'm down to cut that one.
Okay. That's still your razor blade? Maybe.
Yes, sir.
You cut that one. I'm gonna cut this one, you guys.
All right. I'm gonna watch how you cut.
Okay,
first.
watch this. Watch real quick. Okay. Super dialed in here. So you basically tap it, and then you just try to just scar it.
Scars.
Yeah. And then you put your finger all the way in.
And then that's when you start.
And
cutting.
then you cut next to your finger, because then you can never cut the snake.
Amazing.
You see what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Because then you could cut your finger, but you know what? If you cut your finger, we'll survive.
All right.
Cut a snake, we'll freak out. Never happened, but so you're just gonna kind of look at this guy. This guy's thinking he wants to come out and visit you. Brother Nature. That's what I'm gonna nickname
I know
him.
he trying to learn how to do a C-section too.
He learned how.
From the inside.
Yeah, my new nickname for you is Brother Nature.
Yeah, thank you, bro. All right. It's hard, bro.
Yeah.
I'm scared. I don't want to cut the snake.
Okay, so here's what you do. So remember, you're just gonna kind of just go like that.
Okay.
And now I guarantee you can put your finger through that right there. It's gonna just pop. Just push it a little bit, like dig your fingernail right there. Not quite as good as I thought it would.
This one looks crazy.
See, it's funny. You can see I scratched it, but not quite deep enough.
Oh, there
you
it
go.
goes.
So now put your finger inside there, and then pull your finger back up underneath. This is how you do it, guys. So this is real step by step. So you guys share this video with people that are gonna hatch pythons, because they'll learn how to do it. Put your finger further in, and now you know where the
there it
snake is,
goes.
right?
Yep. Perfect.
There you go, and then follow back around this way,
Got you.
towards your other finger, but don't cut your finger, or the snake, but you won't. Don't worry, guys. I'm making it, honestly, the snakes are so tough, it's hard to cut a snake, but we could always be at first, so we want to be really careful. Okay, there you go. Let's see them. Look at that, you guys. So we've got a tiger. You got a tiger. Yeah, there you go. Check it out.
That's a good hole right there.
You did great. Perfect.
Okay. Amazing.
Look at that.
Yo.
Woo!
And he's nice.
That's beautiful. It's a super Sunfire tiger. What else, Tim?
I
Phantom?
don't know. It looks like a phantom. Yeah.
Man, I feel like a proud father right now.
You should be.
Oh. Welcome to the world, son.
Take, be proud of you, man.
Oh man.
Okay, so let's see what else we got, man. Maybe we got one of those. Maybe we got the snake that I keep. Ooh, look at this.
Wow, bro.
So what we're gonna find out is a super tiger should be lighter. So this, I think, is for. Look at that.
That's
Look
a
at the
beast.
tail.
Ooh.
Look at that.
God.
Look at that. It's almost white all the way up the side. That is so cool. See the line down its back?
That's so
We're gonna get, I don't know what it's gonna take if we already got what I wanted, but we'll find another gene to put on this. That's what this is all about, is genetics. We'll find another gene. Here we go. This is the last finale. Now it's not really the finale, because I'm gonna open these up real fast, you guys. This is the finale of the video, because I'm gonna open up a whole bunch of eggs quick to see if we got the one, a snake different than I think we have. So.
Oh, he's out and about.
That one's out and about. That's the second one out. That's a super tiger Sunfire, right?
Yeah.
And no, not a super sun. There you go. Look at that. He's a little bit like, what's going on, man?
Like, what the fuck?
Birds are gonna try to eat me, because that's what he thinks gonna happen. So here we go. Here's the last egg. I don't think I've missed any eggs. Oh, there's still an egg there I gotta look at. So don't run away yet, you guys.
Oh man.
Oh.
Is that it?
Wow.
Maybe.
Wow, that's even lighter. So that's a sun probably,
Wow.
or a super sun.
Wow, I don't know what to think of this one.
Whoa.
Look at that. This will be interesting, you guys, to see. So there's what it looks like when it's not ready. See that little tiny hole? There's what it's not ready. See, it's got a big vein. This is crazy, right, you guys? This is the most educational video on the internet. Backwards it is. Because we're filming it backwards. Now look at this. Okay, little bro. Here, check this out. See right there?
Wow.
Now that's what it's going to look like when it's finished. So now, while we talked about finished, let's finish this video.
Oh, he's trying to get in somebody else's
Yeah, hey, get out of that guy. That's his crib. So, it's an albino. I didn't want albino in it because I'm trying, oh my goodness. That being said.
Do albinos live shorter lives?
No, I just trying to get a certain look. And you know what? I might be completely mistaken as an albino what it can turn out like. So there you go, guys. There's what it looks like. There's what it looks like before it closes up, and I showed you what it looks like after. Okay, let's take time to close this video. Hope you guys had fun. Ho ho! Slimy hands! Don't forget, click down below, check out his Instagram. It's awesome. Hope you guys had a great day, great week.
Hey, thank you to my brother Jay. And you see beautiful things going on over here. A lot of baby snakes being born, and they're gonna live a great life. Yes,
Living
sir.
the dream, guys.
Yes, sir.
Love my job.